Hey, what's up, folks? I thought I'd show y'all a favorite print of mine. I've made quite a few of these, and I just love functional prints. I got these lamps, these LED desk lamps. Comes in a box like this. You might have seen them online. When they come out of the box, they look like this. They got a big, healthy clamp on them, and a big, nice, bright light. And it's gooseneck, so you can bend it all sorts of ways. These are just wonderful, wonderful work lamps. The only problem with them being is they got a nice, control here, but it just kind of dangles, and it's like I'm always trying to find it in the dark, I'm like, oh yeah, oh there it is, So I invented this solution that, if I do say so myself, works quite well. And it's a 3D printed model, like so, and it works with these nice big chunky magnets that you can get online. I print it with supports so that I could insert this like so. The magnet itself actually has countersunk openings, so you can take M3 wood screws like so. And I like to design my plastic to actually just tap into it. I know some people like to use brass threaded inserts, but I find this gets the job done quite well. Quite well. So you see it like so, and then all I do is I take this guy, and I've got a little spring-loaded clip type deal, and I pull that down. Let me push it down a little bit, and check this out. Clips in perfectly. No movement of any kind. And then what do? I just take it and clip it to itself. So then I can take this clamp it onto a table. Got my power button right there, super easy to press. The magic of 3D printing, folks. It is friggin' sweet.